We do not see the objective reality out there. We see what we are conditioned to see. Any colors don't even exist in the real world. Items and things do not have colors. There is light, that is real, but there are no colors that belong to things. There is no green shirt, there is no red pen, there is no orange book. All colors are created inside our nervous system. They are nothing to do with the items that we are seeing. So the world which we see is because of who we are, not because of what the world is. One of the key skills for a leader, for any leader, is to see objective reality as it is. Right? And the way you do that is to separate out the facts from the stories. So fact is anything which can be objectively measured by an instrument. Anything which, if 10 people measure it, it will have the same outcome. Right? So if you notice the weather outside, if you say it is 20 degrees, that is a fact. That is a fact. But whether you say 20 degrees is warm or cold or good or bad, that's not a fact. It's a story. That depends on who you are. Right? So when we think that we are describing things, when we think that we are describing people, it's not about the thing that we are describing more about ourselves. If I say today I am having a bad day, or if I say my life is hard, or if I say I cannot trust this person, I'm not describing the other person or life or the way things are. I'm describing how I'm looking at that. This is where language tricks us. We think that we're describing the world. We are actually creating the world. By saying that the weather is bad, we are creating that bad weather experience for ourselves. Just a couple of days ago, I was talking to somebody, and they said that I had this crucial conversation with somebody, and the conversation went a particular way, and this person told me that now what I did was irreversible. So what I did in that conversation is irreversible, right? Whatever the conversation was, if you place a microphone and a camera, the microphone and the camera would observe the facts. Right? What person A said, what person B said, that would be the facts. Now this person has created a story that it is irreversible. Right? And that story will actually stop this person from going out to the other person and saying something like, we had a conversation yesterday and I want to do a redo. That what I said or what I expressed was not what I really wanted to do. Can we do a redo? But if you make up a story that it is irreversible, that option will not even appear for you. So something happens, we make a story, we believe the story as the truth, but we forget that we are the author. We have created the story. And this is where huge possibilities arise for you. The facts of the situation are just plain, boring, physical facts which you can measure. But whether you call it a problem or whether you call it an opportunity, it's all up to you. Things look impossible, not because they cannot be done, but because you cannot imagine doing them.